Hi, this is Rob. We're going to do time lapse with your camcorder. Many camcorders today have a time lapse function or mode. Here are some of the cameras that have that function. You'll need to use a tripod to get your best time lapse. In this example, I'm using the Panasonic TM900. Go into your menu and make sure you are using the optical zoom. Go to Menu, Record Setup, Zoom Mode, and set to optical zoom. If you have image stabilization, turn it off because you will be using a tripod. Then you have to turn off the 60p or 50p mode. You will get this message, which means the 60p or 50p mode is off. In this camcorder, the time-lapse mode only works in the 30 frames or 25 frames per second. Now let's turn on the time-lapse mode. In the TM900, you go to Menu, Record Setup, Time-Lapse Record, and it gives you a variety of time-lapse recording intervals. I usually use 1 second, which is the camcorder will record 1 frame of video every second, and exit. You should now see this 1 second icon display in your LCD monitor. You are now in time-lapse mode. Now hit the record button and start recording your time-lapse. When you see the 1 second icon turn red, you are recording in time-lapse. The time above indicates how many hours, minutes, and seconds of actual time-lapse video you have recorded. There, you now have 1 second of time-lapse video. To stop recording your time-lapse, hit the pause record button. This will turn off the time-lapse mode, and if you hit the record button again, it will record in normal video mode. To continue recording in time-lapse mode, you'll have to go back in the menu and turn on the time-lapse mode again. While recording, you can close the LCD monitor and the camcorder will continue recording until you hit the pause record button. This will save you some battery life. Here's a recent example of a time-lapse I made using a 1 second interview and recording with the Panasonic TM900. Time-lapse calculations. If you bought your camcorder in the United States, that means you're recording at 30 frames per second. You're going to need 30 minutes of recording time to produce 1 minute of time-lapse video. If you bought your camcorder in Europe or other parts of the world, you're recording at 25 frames per second, which means you're going to need 25 minutes of recording time to produce 1 minute of time-lapse video. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below telling us about your experience about making time-lapse with your camcorder.